Let us learn English of Standard 3rd, and name of the poem is 37 Bedtime. Dear children, here bedtime means the usual time when someone goes to bed. Okay, means the usual time when someone goes to sleep. Right? Here you can see the sleeping birds, the sleeping butterflies, and the sleeping bees, isn't it? Here this poem Bedtime describes about the bedtime of these little people. Got this? We will move to the poem. Dear children, this is your Balabharati English textbook, page number 84. Okay? Bedtime. See dear children, here in this poem there are 3 stanzas. This is first one, this one is second, and this is third one. And in each stanza there are 6 lines. Got this children? This is a small poem. We have to recite this poem later, and then you can learn that one by heart. Okay? First, we will read this poem. Bedtime. The evening is coming. The sun sinks to rest. The rooks are all flying straight home to the nest. Cow, says the rook, as he flies overhead, it's time little people were going to bed. Once again, the evening is coming, the sun sinks to rest, the rooks are all flying straight home to the nest. Cow, says the rook, as he flies overhead, it's time little people were going to bed. This is about first stanza. We will move to second stanza. The butterfly, drowsy, has folded its wing. The bees are returning. No more the birds sing. Their labor is over. Their nestlings are fed. It's time little people were going to bed. Once again, the butterfly, drowsy, has folded its wing. The bees are returning. No more the birds sing. Their labor is over. Their nestlings are fed. It's time little people were going to bed. Let us move to the third stanza. Good night little people. Good night and good night. Sweet dreams to your eyelids till dawning of light. The evening has come. There's no more to be said. It's time little people were going to bed. Good night little people. Good night and good night. Sweet dreams to your eyelids till dawning of light. The evening has come. There's no more to be said. It's time little people were going to bed. Yes, dear children, just now we read the poem twice, isn't it? Now we will go through the meaning of this poem according to each line. Bed time You know the meaning of bedtime, isn't it? The usual time when someone goes to bed. Okay? Yes. The evening is coming. The sun sinks to rest. See this picture? This is the evening time. And the sun is setting down. See there? The sun sets in the evening, isn't it? He is sinking to rest. He is going to take rest because his duty is over. Full day he gave the light and heat. Now he wants to sleep. He wants to take rest. So the sun is sinking, going down to take the rest. Okay. Next is the rooks are all flying. See, these birds are nothing but rooks. What is the name of this bird? Rooks are ROOKS. They are like crows. They belongs to crow family. They are large and black birds. What is the name? Rook. Okay. See now, the rooks are all flying straight home to the nest. Where they are going? They are going to their nest because they too wanted to take rest. This is the evening time, isn't it? So they are moving to their nests. Cow, says the rook as he flies overhead. It's time, little people were going to bed. See how they make sound? They say cow, cow like crow. Okay? They are saying cow, cow and they are flying overhead and they are going straight to their nest to take rest. Got this, children? We will move to the next stanza. The butterfly drowsy. These butterflies, drowsy means sleepy. Yes, the meaning of drowsy is sleepy. They too want to sleep. So they folded their wings. They too want to take rest because it's the evening time, their bedtime, isn't it? So they are folding their wings and they want to sleep. The bees are returning. See, these are bees. They too are returning from their work. Work is to collect nectar or honey, isn't it? They collect nectar from the flowers. Now it's the evening time, their bedtime, so they are returning to their hives. Okay? No more the birds sing. Now the birds too, they are moving to their dwelling places because their labor is over. For this full day they worked hard. Now it's a evening time, so they are returning to their nests and they are feeding the nestlings. See here in the picture, small young birds, they are called nestlings. They can't fly. They are very, very small. Mother feeds them. Okay? These birds are called as nestlings. They remain in the nest. Okay? Now all they are moving to their places because it's time, little people were going to bed. Got this? Because that's a bedtime for all these little people. Third stanza. Good night, little people. Good night and good night. Sweet dreams to your eyelids till dawning of light. See, dear children, here we are wishing good night, little people. Little people means here rook, birds, then butterflies and bees, isn't it? Good night for all of them and sweet dreams to your eyelids. Okay, now for how much period this is? Till dawning of light. See, in this picture, this is a dawning of light, means sun rising early in the morning, that is nothing but dawn. D-A-W-N, dawn means early morning when the sun rises. Okay, the evening has come, there is no more to be said. It's time, little people were going to bed. Yes, now this is evening time, so all of you go to bed. Good night and sweet dreams to your eyelids. Yes, this is all about the poem Bedtime. I hope you understood the meaning of this poem. Yes? Okay, we will move to the next one, that is the hard words from this poem. Rook means, see the picture, this is a rook. A rook is a large black bird. Rooks are members of the crow family. For the children, it looks like our crow, isn't it? But this is rook that belongs to crow family, that resembles the crow. Drowsy, see the picture. Drowsy means sleepy. This happens in our life, isn't it? Next is labor. Labor means doing hard work. You can see in this picture. Nestlings. See these small young bird, they are called nestlings because they haven't yet left their nest. Their wings are not developed so much that they can leave their nest. Here the mother feeds them. Dear children, let us recite this poem, Bedtime.
The evening is coming, the sun sinks to rest, the rooks are all flying straight home to the nest. Cow, says the rook as he flies overhead, it's time, little people, we are going to bed. The butterfly drowsy, he has folded its wings, the bees are returning, no more the birds sing. Their labor is over, their nestlings are filled. It's time, little people, we are going to bed. Good night, little people, good night and good night. Sweet dreams to your eyelids, till dawning of light. The evening has come, there's no more to be said. It's time, little people, we are going to bed.
Yes, dear children, try to learn this by heart. Okay? Now we will move to the exercise part. Write what the following are doing. This is from your textbook. Rooks, butterfly, bees and birds. We have to write what they are doing in this poem. Okay, we will move one by one. Rooks. Here the rooks are all flying straight home to the nest. See, we know that the rooks, they are all flying straight home to the nest because it's a evening time, correct? And they want to go to the nest and they want to take rest. Next is butterfly. The butterfly drowsy has folded its wing. Why it is folded its wing? Because it's a bedtime, it's the evening time. So it too wants to take rest, so it folded its wings. Bees. The bees are returning and they are moving straight to the honeycomb. Yes, after the hard work of full day, they are moving to their honeycomb to take rest because it's a bedtime for these little people, isn't it? Birds. No more the birds sing. All the birds are sitting silently on the tree. Yes, because their labor is over. Their nestlings are fed and are ready to go to bed. They too want to take the rest. So they all gathered on the tree and now it is their bedtime. Yes, after going to bed, they get up early in the morning and again they become active and they start their daily routine. Yes, dear children, so one proverb is there, that is, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Yes, dear children, you are so small, you are so young, so you have to go to bed early and you have to get up early in the morning so that you will become healthy, fit and brilliant. Got this?